Hi, Jen here with Virtual PBX, and today I am going to show you how to use hot desking on your Dash platform. Hot desking allows a user to use any phone on the account by entering their hot desk ID and password if required. This allows them flexible phone access, especially useful for employees who split their time across various areas of the workplace, share devices, or do not have a permanent desk space. The hot desk ID is for that specific user on the account. Please note that once hot desking is enabled, follow me calling will be disabled. Only one of these features may be enabled at a time. To start, let's review enabling hot desking for users. The first thing you're going to want to do is click on Users from your dashboard. On the Users page, click on the Users Features box next to the user you wish to enable hot desking on. Hot desking is disabled by default. Click on the hot desking icon to begin setup. And then you are going to want to toggle from disabled to enabled. Once hot desking is enabled, enter the hot desk ID number for the user. You may also set a PIN number and allow multiple devices. When multiple devices is checked, the user may log into multiple devices at the same time. Save your changes to continue. Now that hot desking is enabled, you will see that the icon is green. You will also notice a flame icon listed for the user in the User Features area. This helps indicate what users have hot desking enabled at a quick glance. Now let's review toggle hot desking from your VoIP phone.
But I'd like to use my handy dandy hot desking so I can take calls here. Let's try this.
Please enter your hot desk ID.
First I tell it to give me hot desking, and then I put in my hot desk ID
Please enter your hot desk PIN code.
and my PIN, and lo and behold,
Your calls will now come to this device. Goodbye.
now fabulously when I make a call, my caller ID presents. If somebody calls my extension, it will ring this phone. But I changed my mind. Let me turn it off.
You will no longer receive calls on this device. Goodbye.
And there you have it, hot desking in action on your Dash platform.